Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome in the next video. In this video we are going to learn about how to change theme using getx. Yeah, you have listened correctly. We are going to do all this stuff using getx. So basically I have set up a very simple UI over here with a text and a button. If I click on change theme, actually nothing is happening. So stay with me, let's learn together. So first of all we have to go toward our pubspec.yaml file and we have to install get package over here. After installing get package, then we have to move toward the main.dart file. So here I have just very simple structure setup with a main function, and another is a stateless widget, that is basically our material app. So first thing that we have to do is we have to convert this material app to get material app, right? And this get material app is basically coming from the getx package itself. So there are multiple versions of get is available, so please select this one, the short one. Yeah, I have selected. Now let's move toward the home page. Okay, here I have very simple thing, everything is straightforward, nothing difficult. So let's do one thing, let's understand the analogy or the logic, how it works. So basically we have to create a variable of type bool. It will contain true or false. So I'm going to name it is dark bool is dark and initial value is false, right? So I have created this variable for changing the theme vice versa, right? First of all I have to do is if is dark, this means if we are already in the dark mode, then we have to switch to the light, but if we are in light we have to switch it to the dark, right? And then we have to convert the value to is dark equal to assign the negation of the is dark current value. So basically this is the logic that we have to implement, and over here we have to do the actual magic. So I'm going to call get dot change theme. This is the method that get provides us, and it accepts theme data, and we have to provide light theme, right? You guys can understand from the if statement that if we are in the dark mode, is dark mean we are in the dark mode, then we have to convert this to the light mode. But if we are in the light mode, then we have to convert same thing to the dark mode, right? Theme data dot dark mode. Yeah, I think that's it guys. Let's see the magic. I'm going to restart it and stay with me, let's watch the result. Yeah, we have did it. Guys, you have saw how much easy it is. So hopefully you guys have learned this. Thank you for watching the video, and one request I have, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and also share the video with your colleagues and friends. Thank you.